Hello everybody, welcome to Master Option. Today I would like to share about 2% rule. If I buy a stock at $100, so where should I place the stop loss? Actually, there's many methods to determine the stop loss, but now we just talk about 2% rule. According to 2% rule, investors' risk for each trade cannot be more than 2% of their trading capital. What does it mean? This example, if our trading capital is $100,000, then I buy a stock for 500 shares. So according to 2% rule, the maximum loss for this trade is 100,000 times 2%, that is 2,000. Then for 500 shares, maximum loss in price is 2,000 divided 500, that is $4. Then the stop loss order should be placed at $96. So we should place the stop loss at the earlier stage at $96 in order to follow the 2% rule. If we follow the 2% rule, we can control the risk in a reasonable stage, and we can avoid to facing the excess risk for my trading. So be aware that 2% rule is very important in risk management. So thank you for your listening.
大家記住俾翻個 like 啦，同埋 subscribe 我個 channel 嘅，亦都可以撳埋個鈴鈴啦，同埋 share 埋俾啲朋友嘅。